cymbal. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mike Levitsky. Today we're going to move it into the jazz world a little bit, do a little bit of swing using these triplet ideas that we've been talking about. Now, anytime we're doing a triplet based fill or a thing like that, you can always use it as 16th note triplets in a rock context or hip hop or gospel or anything that has sort of a swing to it, or as sort of some spice or flavor on top of a 16th note groove. Sometimes it sounds really contrasting to the audience and draws attention if you do a 16th note triplet or a triplet idea over top of a groove that's running in eighth notes. But today I'm going to apply these fills to swing context. You can feel free to apply them to whatever context you want. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if these videos are helping you out, and please don't forget to share this video with a friend. That really helps me out, and I really appreciate you guys doing that for me. Also, leave me a comment down below and let me know where you guys are playing jazz gigs. I started playing in a Dixie combo in junior high, and then I played some jazz in high school, and I played in the big band in college, and then I started a trio with a couple of friends of mine from college called the Johnny May Trio. Johnny May's got a channel here on YouTube. You can look him up and check out some of his playing. He's a great player, and I recommend his playing to you. So without further ado, let's get on with the lesson for today. Over the last couple of weeks, I've been teaching you guys these short triplet ideas, and I've been calling this series Tastify Your Groove. And the reason is you can use these short triplet ideas in the context of a groove or as shorter fills. Rarely do you play 4 beats of fill. That's a long fill. Usually we play 1 beat, 2 beat, maybe 3 beats. Occasionally you'll get 4 beats or a drum solo, but these ideas you can use in bite-sized pieces or combine them together to kind of make bigger fills. And so this week we're going to take a sound that we've heard before, which was this sound. We did that last week, but we're going to change the sticking a little bit so we can get a few different ideas out of it. So this time around, the sticking is going to be right, left, left, kick, and then right, left, and then crash and a cymbal of your choice. So it could be a ride cymbal, it could be the hi-hat, it could be a splash cymbal, a crash cymbal, and that's going to look like this. So right, left, left, kick, right, left, cymbal of your choice. And that should be triplet, so it should be 1, ti, ta, 2, ti, ta, 3. 1, ti, ta, 2, ti, ta. 1, ti, ta, 2, ti. Okay? So that's the first step. You want to work on being able to do that. Now inside of that is something that's really important for you to work on, and that's this idea of right, left, left as triplets. That's the right hand side of a 6-stroke roll. I have a video called 6-stroke roll fun. I'll put a link to it right here. If you don't know what a 6-stroke roll is, with some exercises that you can work on to get this up to speed. But you want to be able to play right, left, left smoothly without any kind of problem. So right, left, left, right as triplets. And really get that up to speed so it's flowy and even and with an accented right hand or unaccented. So you want to have that together before you try to do the rest of this fill, or it's just going to not be fun for you. Once you can do that, then we're going to start kind of putting this stuff over the drum set. And at its shortest, smallest bit, it's just, if we're playing some time in a swing context, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, like that, you're going to put this on beat 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, things that really make it pop, accent that left hand. 1, 2, ta, 2, 3, ta, 4, ta, accent that thing. Really makes it pop. Especially up at a higher tempo. So this is great if you have like a kick on 1 and you want to just kind of do a short little phrase, and you want to kick the band and kind of let them know it's coming up. So idea is just, it makes for a great kick. So we can extend this out in a couple different ways. So here's a few orchestrations that I came up with. I played these in the intro, and I'll kind of show them to you now, and then you can experiment with this on your own. So the first one that I came up with was tom, high tom, floor tom, and then the accent and the crash. And I did it as singles, so I went right, left, right, left, right, left, and then over to the floor tom, right, left, kick, right, left, crash. That has this sound to it. I suggest practicing this one with vest sticking because you're going to be working on your singles going into that right, left, left. Now you could also just play this as right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, kick, right, left, crash. That works too. Sounds exactly the same. But the sticking is going to be different. And if you want exercises to work on, try this with singles and with doubles. If you do the second sticking, which is right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, kick, right, left, crash, then you can put the right hand kind of anywhere and make that fill work. So that might you put the left hand anywhere. That's kind of a cool thing. If you're playing, I mean, it works in jazz, but like if you're doing the rock or the gospel, the R&B stuff off the hi-hat sounds really cool. So that stuff. Or close the hi-hat for that matter. This next orchestration is my favorite. It's a lot of fun, and it's great if you have a lot of quarter note kicks in a row. Ba, 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 and you want to like kick all those with the band. And so you're going to take your right hand and put it on a cymbal with the bass drum, keeping that left hand triplet thing on the snare. So you end up with. Sounds really cool if you're kicking. Going and add in that crash cymbal solo. Now here's where the real fun comes. If you start to shorten it, then you can kick wherever you want. So then you could go right, left, left. That kind of thing. So I'm just going. Hey guys, I hope that helps you out. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll see you in just a little bit. Have fun with that. See you later.